Hello everyone, welcome back. Jim here from Grassroots Piano. Today we are going to be working on a chord progression focusing on 4 different left hand patterns, and this is a video for beginnerish, newer learner. I say beginnerish because we do go into coordination and different chords, so if you're brand new to piano, definitely check out my other playlist. I'll leave it in the description so you can learn in a stepwise motion. Speaking of which, this is what this channel is about, to provide value for you, to learn in a stepwise motion so you don't Swiss cheese your playing, because that just gets too frustrating too soon. Better to do the work now and then have the enjoyment throughout the time that you play music, which is a lifetime goal for everyone to enjoy music. It's a lifetime art. We're going to go ahead and start in G major. And as a refresher, here's the scale. I have some videos on that if you're interested in learning these scales. Hopefully you do, because good practicing, good scale work is well worth your time. We're going to focus on these chords. There are 4 chords. We have our root position, and then we have our 5 chord. That's D major. And then our 6 chord, E is the 6th from the root of G. And then our 4 chord, C. Pattern 1, I call it the basic. The basic because the foundation needs to be there. We're going to work in 4/4 time, quarter notes, and transition change. 3 and to the E minor, 1, 2, 3, and to the C, and 1, 2. Let's try that again. I'm going to play the roots in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and D. 2. You hear how I'm anticipating? E minor, and 1, thinking ahead. 3 and 4 to the C. 2, 3, and 4. You try that as slow as you need to, as quick as you need to, as long as you have quality. I am going to give this lesson without using much piano at all, without much pedal, because we need to focus on a full round sound. If every piano teacher got $1 for how we could hear how the pedal was abused, we would make big money. It's fun, but it gets washy and we get lost. If you hold yourself accountable, you'll get a fuller sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the right hand position, because I'm changing the structure a little bit so the chords are just in this area. For reference, this is middle C for me. So we're going to play this first, our second inversion, and then we're going to go to D major, and then E minor, and then C major, first inversion with a little finger change there. That's suggested, 1, 2, 5. So you want to get that down nice and comfortable, so you don't even have to think about it. Some of the lessons I'm going to play it like this: half note, quarter, quarter. All right, so it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Nice even sound. Don't splat. 2, 3, 4, and C. 2, 3, 4, and pattern 1, 2, 3, and 4. D, yeah. 2. It's fun. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and C. 2, 3, and 4, and then repeat that. Do you notice by habit I'll subdivide the 8th notes, and the reason is a lot of learners, it's not the notes that we're playing, it's what we're feeling between the notes or between the phrases. So if you internalize and really dig into the time, you'll have a much better groove, if you will. What we're going to do now is we are going to jump to pattern 2. The next one, we are going to be using 8th notes in the left hand, and I'm going to go slow. We're going to just practice ascending, and then we end with the root. And we're going to be using the root, 3rd, 5th, and then up here. 1, and 2, and 3, 4. So you're going to practice that. 1, and 2, and 3. D, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Now E minor. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and you can go slower, definitely when you start adding in the next hand. Here I go, the next hand, the right hand. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3. I improvised before. Most of us don't catch that, so we'll leave it in there. 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here I go. 1, 2, and 3. Hear that right hand? And 1, 2, and 3, 4. E minor. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. C. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do you notice I'm keeping the half note down the left hand? I'm also hearing that, and that will be something you can focus on a bit later. If the coordination's too much, you can go ahead and do this. The fourth pattern, I'll definitely suggest this. You can just play the root in the right hand. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And some learners will get off to get ready. That's okay too. You could think 1, 2, 3, 4, as long as you're aware of it. So you can just play on the downbeat at first. Let's go to pattern 3. This is how I work. It's not that different, but yet if we just focus ascending, it gets confusing. So that's right. Now it's going down. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. To the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll play it a little faster without the pedal so you can hear the sound, and I'm gonna go ahead and maybe mix them up. That's when you get more advanced. You can mix them up between pattern 2 and 3. Extra credit, I guess. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. D. 1, 2, 3, and E minor, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. C. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, here we are. The pattern 4. This is a tricky one. What we're going to do is I'm going to break it down. You can think of the left-hand pattern in 2 parts. We're going to go up and then back down, and then we end on the 5th to the next chord. I'll demonstrate. Root, 3rd, 5th, octave, 5th, 3rd, octave, and the 5th there. So the count goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and good, I did it right. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. I will go slower, both hands. In this one with the right hand, I'm just gonna hang out and just play whole notes. I'll try to remember that. Busy week. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and slow it down. 2, 3, 4. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4 and C. 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and C. 2, 3 and 4 and. All right, so let me know if you like this video, like my content. A lot of viewers and subscribers are getting into my rhythm patterns, and I'm grateful. I thank everyone. I've had a surge in views lately, so that is awesome, and I'm hoping that you keep playing. Let me know if you have questions. I'm getting some requests on some songs, so I'm looking into that. However, most importantly, keep playing, be patient, and I'll see everyone next time. Bye-bye.